Hello students, today we're diving into how to conduct technical search engine optimization audits using ChatGPT alongside Ahrefs. Sometimes when we encounter a plethora of errors, warnings, or issues, the audit reports can feel quite overwhelming. Let's explore how generative AI can assist us in managing these tasks effectively. Let's begin by logging into your familiar Ahrefs account. Head over to the site audit section where you'll find your projects listed. If you haven't added any projects yet, you can do so now. Now it's time to run your crawl. I've already conducted a crawl this morning, so the data is fresh for us to review. Let's dive into our project, and here you'll see an overview dashboard displaying all the project details. On this dashboard, you can view your site score along with detailed information about errors, crawl status, content time distribution, and other significant statistics. To view all issues, head over to the All Issues section where you'll find various issues, warnings, and errors that require attention. This is where ChatGPT steps in to assist you. For instance, if you notice an issue like missing or empty meta description tags, you can utilize ChatGPT by inputting that you have, say, 11 pages lacking meta descriptions. You might wonder about the SEO impact and the best approach to resolve this issue on a content-heavy website. Naturally, you'll use specific prompts tailored to your site's issues. Meanwhile, ChatGPT starts compiling a report to address the problem. ChatGPT will likely return practical explanations and suggest creating meta descriptions as a solution. Remember, you can also address these issues within Ahrefs. You'll find a list of necessary actions according to the problem identified. Once you've tackled these issues, let's delve into a more complex example. Remember, you have the option to export a report from Ahrefs detailing all issues. I've already exported my report containing errors and warnings. You can paste a sample of this report into ChatGPT along with specific instructions. For example, a significant issue like an orphan page lacking internal links can be addressed by ChatGPT. I've dealt with this issue before, so I've preloaded some data to avoid extending our session. ChatGPT prioritized our orphan pages individually, recommended which ones to address first, and suggested potential solutions. These recommendations can be implemented over time. Strategically, you can also extract your top issues from the Ahrefs site audit by downloading them, as we did earlier, and apply the prompt I've utilized. I've downloaded the top errors and warnings from my Ahrefs site audit. ChatGPT then helps by prioritizing them based on SEO impact, estimating the time required for fixes, and categorizing them into short-term and long-term improvements. I really appreciate seeing this analysis as ChatGPT organizes the issues into high, medium priority, and long-term improvements. It explains the significance of each problem and outlines the steps necessary for resolution. However, remember that ChatGPT, like any tool, can sometimes err. Always verify the information with additional research before applying changes to your website. While you can trust the data from Ahrefs, exercise caution with fixes as they can affect your site's stability. Aim to resolve all identified issues carefully.